Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing the proper DB driver and client library. Do that now. Once done, pick the target: SQLite for quick tests versus Postgres or MySQL for production, because concurrency and extensions differ. Create a connections string stored in an environment variable so credentials stay out of code. Open a connection object with a short-lived scope, then test with a simple select one to verify connectivity and permissions before moving on. Next, define your schema and apply migrations. You can run create table statements or use a migration tool so schemas stay versioned. Use parameterized queries, never string interpolation, because it prevents SQL injection and handles escaping. When modifying data, start a transaction, perform multiple operations, and then commit. This guarantees atomicity. Make sure to fetch rows with fetchone or fetchall and map results to data classes or DICs. If you need object mapping, consider an ORM for convenience, but understand the SQL it generates. Finish by committing final transactions and closing connections. Use context managers so resources free automatically. Next, set up regular backups and migration tests to ensure schema changes are safe in production. For deployments, run migrations in a maintenance window and monitor slow queries. If something breaks, enable client and server logging, reproduce the problem with a minimal query, and inspect error codes. That reveals permission, syntax, or network issues quickly. Keep credentials rotated and alerts configured so you catch failures early.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.